Today, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Gamma app in just a few simple steps. If you work with presentations, documents, or visual content inside Gamma, being able to crop an image quickly can help you clean up your layout, focus on the right part of a picture, and make your project look much more professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to save the cropped version inside your Gamma project. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside Gamma, look for the project that contains the image you want to edit. This might be a presentation, a workspace page, or any other project where you've already added your visual content. Open that project so you can access the image directly. Now find the image you want to crop and click on it once. When the image is selected, Gamma should show editing options around it or in a toolbar nearby. Take a moment to look for the image settings or edit controls. In many cases, you'll see a crop option available right away, and in some layouts, it may be inside a menu with more editing tools. Once you open the image editing options, choose crop if that option is available. This is the key step that lets you trim away the parts of the image you don't want visible. After selecting crop, you should see a crop box or adjustable frame around the image. From here, you can drag the edges or reposition the image inside the crop area to choose exactly what stays visible. Take your time with this part. If you want to emphasize a face, product, logo, or specific section of the image, adjust the crop so that the most important area is centered and clear. If the image looks too zoomed in or too loose, keep refining it until it fits your design the way you want. Small changes here can make a big difference in how polished the final project looks. After you've adjusted the visible part of the image, apply the crop if Gamma gives you a confirm button. If there isn't a separate save button, you may just need to click outside the image or exit the editing panel for the crop to stay in place. Make sure the image looks right after you finish, because this confirms that the change has been applied inside your project. And that's it. Your image is now cropped inside Gamma app. It's a quick process, but it can really improve the quality of your layout and help your content look cleaner and more focused. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.